So anyways, the 2-year-old's a collection of these sort of random motivations, more or less gets his or her act together by about 3 if they're being socialized properly, and that means that the parents are doing their best to make the child acceptable to other children. That's your damn job as a parent. You have to understand that, because if your child isn't acceptable to other children, they won't play with your child. And then your child will be lonesome and isolated and awkward, and they will never recover. Because if the kid doesn't get that right between 2 and 4, it's over. They're never going to learn it. The other kids accelerate forward, that kid's left behind. And it's not a good life for that kid. They don't learn how to play with others. And then they're done. And there's a huge literature on trying to rectify antisocial children, say from the age of 4 on. It's like, no, you can't. And you can go ahead and read 300-400 papers on rectification of antisocial behavior and figure it out for yourself. But I did that for about 5 years, and it was a while ago, but I know the literature hasn't changed. So you got to get it right between that period. You got to get the kid together enough so they can control themselves well enough so that they can adopt a mutual frame of reference with a peer, so that they can start using that to scaffold their development further and become more and more sophisticated in social interactions. And that's what you're acting as a proxy for the social environment as a parent. That's what you're doing. Now, a gentle proxy, an informative proxy, maybe even a merciful proxy, but a proxy nonetheless, because they're not going to be around you forever. They're going to be out there among people who don't really care about them. And if they don't have something to bring to the table, at least the ability to cooperate, they're going to be lonesome and isolated, and that's not going to be good.